everyone, I'm Jem and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to show you a very short tutorial on how I actually do my brows. So as we all know, brows is very important because kilay is life. So we have to know how to shape it and how to shade it and how to make it last longer. So for today's video, I'm going to also feature a new brow product that I just got. This is the JCat Browlyst Style Your Brow Gel Set. It claims to be long-lasting, aqua-proof, and smudge-proof. So we'll test if this will actually be long-lasting as well. So if you want to know more about how I do my brows, please keep on watching. And for this video, I'll be featuring this product from Browlyst, this product from JCat. This is their Browlyst. They'll Style Your Brow Gel Set, long-lasting, aqua-proof, smudge-proof, and claims to last for 24 hours. So that's a really huge claim. Can't really test this out for 24 hours, but we'll see how this will apply and how this will work on my brows. So this comes in two shades with an angled spoolie brush. So upon opening, you have two products right here. So first we have here two brow shades. The one is in dark brown and the one is in brown, and it comes with a free spoolie brush. So it's a really cute spoolie brush, as you can see. And so also, on the back of the packaging, it has here instructions on how to use. So basically, this is like a dupe for the NYX brow gel. If you're very familiar with that one, I'll place it here. So that was the first brow gel product that I actually used, and naubos ko na. So wala na ako noon. So I transitioned to a pencil eyebrow for the meantime, but now that I have this, I'll be using this one for this tutorial. So now let's proceed to the tutorial itself. was it, guys. This is now my completed eyebrows. So actually this is not the eyebrows that I do on a daily basis, because let's face it, on a daily basis I really have just a little time to do a complete eyebrow ritual. But this is what I actually do when I attend occasions, or if I am actually going to do a makeup tutorial. About the product, the Browlyst Style Your Brow Gel Set. These are really long lasting, I believe, because as you can see, I did some swatches here and I tried to remove it with a wet wipe and it won't be budge. Like, ang hirap niyang tanggalin. See, I have to do it several times. So I can really attest that this brow gel can really last long. So maybe in the future I'll do a separate review on these products. But anyways, I hope you learned something from my brow tutorial. I know this is just very simple and just very short. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below if you have suggestions for future videos or if you have a particular comment for this video. And also please don't forget to click subscribe to see more content from me. See you again on my next video. Bye!